Hello everyone, today I'm beyond excited to take you on a journey through the essence of luxury and entertainment, the ultimate home theatre experience, courtesy of Vishal Peripherals. Here it is guys, welcome to the home theatre by Vishal Peripherals. From the moment I stepped through the secure doors, तब मुझे पता चला कि ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी होने वाला है और सच में कमाल का था. Just take a look at this setup. Breathtaking, isn't it? B&W के स्पीकर्स ने दिया ऑडियो का अल्टीमेट एक्सपीरियंस. हर साउंड एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर. और अगर कंफर्ट की बात करें तो ये रिक्लाइनर चेयर्स तो हेवन है यार. ये इतने कंफर्टेबल है कि इस पे बैठ के हम घंटे गुजार सकते हैं. And let me tell you about the visuals. The Epson LS12000B laser 4K projector blew me away with its laser-sharp clarity. It felt like I was right in the middle of the action. But what really amazed me were the hidden speakers. With an 11.2 surround system seamlessly integrated throughout the room, the audio experience was nothing short of immersive. And speaking about the audio, the acoustics in the theatre were out of this world. Thanks to the high quality acoustic foams, every note, every sound effect was delivered with precision. और अगर मैनेजमेंट की बात करें तो the entire theatre setup is as easy as a tap on your smartphone. प्रोजेक्टर से लेके AC तक सब कनेक्टेड है for ultimate convenience. और comfort का क्या ही कहना. Despite being in a closed space, the ventilation pumps ensure a constant flow of fresh air, so you can relax and breathe easy. And the cherry on top, a PS5 connected to the epic setup, turning your home theatre into the ultimate gaming paradise. So, if you have ever imagined having your own slice of cinematic paradise right at your home, then come and experience the ultimate luxury and entertainment like never before. You can contact Vishal Peripherals to make your own home theatre. All the details are mentioned below in the description box.